Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. I have a rice cooker and I am going to show you how to use it. I had my first one and I didn't know how to use it, and it wasn't broken, but I thought it was broken. It wasn't broken. So I bought myself another one because I don't like cooking rice on the stove because it boils over on me and all that good stuff that comes with cooking rice on the stove. So anyway, I got this aroma. I think I paid 20 bucks for this. And I'm just going to demonstrate how to make the rice in it. I have a half a cup of rice. You use your 1-to-1 ratio with your rice as always. Okay? And I ordered rinsed it. So I'm going to stick it in here. And then I'm going to get a cup of water. It comes with a little cuppy thing, plastic cup that you can use. Hold on a second, get you some water. Okay, I got the water. There's that. And I'll get you closer, as you can see. It has like little numbers on the inside of this, but I can't see it. It's dark. It's not really lit up. And this particular rice cooker came with another basket. I'll show you. Came with this basket here, and you can do your veggies on top. Steam your veggies, which is very convenient. But anyway, I'm going to plug this in. I'm going to close the top, plug it in. And then, as you can see at the bottom, maybe not, at the bottom, there's a light. Right now it's on warm. You press the button down, and it'll start cooking. Okay? It's going to take probably 20 minutes. When it's done, the button will pop up and press warm. And it'll go to warm. So, I'll come back in 20 minutes, guys. Hopefully I paused this correctly this time, because, I'm not great. Alright, guys. Talk to you in a minute.